Oh. So where are we now? In Golden Gates. We're here in Golden Gates.
This isn't Golden Gates.
And what was that?
It's not golden here.
And what is that? Red?
No.
Red in color?
No. It's brown and white piece.
Mm-hmm.
Like rocks.
It's nice stuff. Wait. Yan yung Golden Gate. Yan yung Golden Gate Bridge. So, palis muna kami rito sa bahay nung sister-in-law ko. At punta muna kami ng San Francisco para tingnan yung Golden Gates. So yan, dito kami nagtumuloy. So, ba't ganun pa rin? Amoy toyo pa rin ah.
Medyo nabawasan na, amoy ng diretso rito. Alisin ko rito. Amoy mo.
Doon sarap amoy eh.
Kaya nga eh. Medyo nabawasan na. Pa-circulate natin yung hangin.
Pinibiyaksa ko nga.
Pa, kaya ito mga ito, hindi kailangan dito.
Wala mo yata laman eh.
Kaya nga, alisin ko para hindi
Pwede
minsan
na.
nakikita na may laman.
Ano ba ito? Mga basa?
Ito yung mga marumi.
Ay, mga basa na mga bata ito eh.
Yeah.
Hindi pala naibaba ito.
Ilagay mo na doon. Wala
Saan
na
lalagay?
ba mga laman?
Saan ko lalagay?
So may pituan na.
Oh.
Ah, B-boy at B-boy.
I think that's pink.
Kaya?
That one, picture. Yeah. That's why I don't know if we call it Kiwi. Kiwi. Yeah. It's a boy. Yeah, that's why. Boy.
Ayan zone, yung portable zone.
Naku, tutumba. Mahangin? Baka mabasa ko na. Ito na lang yung phone ko na lang. Palitan na lang ng picture.
Ayan.
Okay. 1, 2,
Where's Daddy?
O tayo apat. Ano mo kami apat? Yan na kami oh. Sama kay Lolo.
P-boy, sama kay Lolo. Sama ka tayo kay Lolo. Ay, achik. 1, 2, 3 more. Sean, sama ka.
Siyon tara, Siyon. Bakit ikaw naka-smile? Oo naman. Baka ngiti ka, naka-selfie ka yata eh. Ginawa ko yan dati eh, nagiti ka na. Tuloy nyo, tawa na. Kasi ako.
Where's Carla John?
Forward nyo na lang kay Tita Sil yung mga picture ha.
Okay, pila na. Go. Lily!
Darlene. Patrick.
Mark, punta ka na doon.
Parang lagi dyan na pampang-bolt. Hindi, bolt ano.
Yeah. Pwede naman kayo mag-spread. Carmela, punta kayo. Pwede mag-spread. Okay.
O, dahil malayo naman siya eh.
Oh, malayo naman. Yeah. 1, 2, smile. One more.
Selfie.
1, 2, smile. Mark, paano mo nga?
Teka, ako.
Ay, tapos
Nahirap ka lang, nakakinelas ka. 1, 2. Teka, move a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Right there. There you go. 1, 2.
selfie.
Selfie.
Yeah, yeah. Good.
1, 2. Alright.
Galing. Okay, thank you. We have a good time. We have a good time.
Ingat ha.
Nag-enjoy kami. Nag-enjoy kami kasama ni Juan.
Kaya lang malungkot ako, wala akong sprinkle sa baon. Lumabas namin. Touch, ingat. Okay. Okay. Ingat ha.
Bye, Lopez.
Bye. Hello, everybody.
Sa'yo lang sa bandang dyan pag yung dadaan. Yeah, okay, sure.
This time, so quick, but we don't want to.
Oh, pero yun nga, like pag yung dadaan lang,
Pagdadaan lang, tsaka may papakita.
mas marinig mo, pip.
Kailan, good boy ah. Kailan ba? Good boy.
Tapos tago mo na ulit sa bus.
What are you smiling at?
Okay, sige. Yes, na tayo ulit. Sa Florida o Canada o Quezon? O Quezon?
Pwedeng all.
O Boracay?
Lahat. Boracay tayo lahat.
Pwede, kung kakayanin mo.
Pag nag-retire na siguro.
Buhay pa kaya nun.
Okay.
Medyo makaka... 3-5 ba man ang truck eh.
Pero excited na ako makita ang short maker ko na yung pinamana sa'yo.
Ay, oo.
After 23 years.
Dapat andun ka ha. Pero pagpunta nyo sa Boracay, magme-message ako pag may kasama kayong iba.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride.
Just drive in. Ano daw?
Just drive in lang eh. Oh, drive in lang, walang ticket.
Oh, pero palabas, hahanapan ka.
Ay, naku, mukhang bawal ata tayo dito.
Scan.
Oh, pay by phone.
Okay.
Enter ka.
Pay by phone
Mommy,
daw tayo.
did we went here before? We did that bomb night?
Ah, si Tin? Ah, sa taas?
Hindi, sa labas.
Sa labas?
Hinihintay ko lang order.
Oh, okay. Pati si daddy mo? Daddy?
Si naman si
Patrick? Ha? Ay, si Patrick?
Ito ko na lang kuya para
Oh,
tulungan mo ka mag-buhat.
yun lang ba?
Yeah.
Yung tinapo yun, yung ginagawa. So, nandito kami sa San Francisco. Oh, ha? Kuha na rin ako. BTS Bistro.
No, we're gonna show this one.
You gonna sit here or there? Beside mommy? Beside mommy? Okay, doon ka daw, tabi dyan. Doon tabi dyan.
Caleb, boss.
Hindi pa na nag-charge to.
Here, one more.
Can I eat now?
Yeah. Oh, dyan na. Subo ah. Ay, subo yun. Okay.
What's this?
Crab.
Dungeon is crab meat.
Want taste?
Me? What's that? The dungeon is crab?
Here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, that's fine, yeah.
Give me my juice, my juice, my juice.
Tama ba yung in-order ko sa food court?
Give me my
Ito rin to.
Give me my juice.
Dungeon is there.
There's bugs. This looks yummy. And that moving car that was driving by its own, that was funny.
We're going to the museum.
You see?
Mex, ano yung Mechanic Antique Coins Operated Arcade Entrance. Free
Let's
admission.
not this again.
Why? Did you went here?
Yeah, we were here before.
Before?
Yeah, I don't like this anymore.
Why?
It's kind of creepy.
Oh.
So creepy.
Sino yan?
No, I'm not looking.
Old arcades? Are those old arcades?
Yep.
Come on, come on.
Steam engine.
Using a steam engine. Steam engine na motorcycle.
Oh, steam engine?
Steam engine ng motorcycle.
Okay, no? Steam motorcycle?
Wow.
Anong year to?
It's scary here.
What year do you think is it?
What do I think of that?
What year?
Oh, I would probably say like 1912.
Oh, 1912.
It's the only one of its kind and it's in perfect condition.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Nice.
Ano nila? Steam motorcycle. Oh yeah, nice. Steam. Mga old arcades. Very cool. Oh, sorry. boxing.
Oh, can I try?
Oh, knockdown.
Daddy.
Knockdown na, knockdown.
Jana,
Come on, come on. Ayan. Ikan piano.
One amount. You hit. Every time it pops out, you gotta be.
You hit it na. Pasok tayo. 50.
Isa pa.
Binigay, isa pa. Tama.
Let's play one hole.
Your score already 110.
Hit it fast.
Hit it harder. Hit it harder. Harder. Yeah.
Tada.
120. Yay.
No! Oh, I can't. Mommy,
Nasaan na sila ni? No more.
Eh, madaanan niya.
I want an Alcatraz.
Pabalik.
Yeah.
Meron ka na ba sa
Babalik din tayo.
Yeah.
Franciscan Crab and Restaurant. Fish and garlic. Pierre. Oh,
Cards again.
I don't have any.
Mall of Asia.
Mom, I thought we were gonna see the spheres.
Ito sila yan.
No, the spheres. Like those things that swim around.
Yeah, sila yun.
The sea ones swim around and around.
Hindi na.
What in the world?
Go! Eh, wala pang bakante. Ayun, isa. May isa doon. Yung isa. Dali.
Be careful, ha?
Oh! Like this. Oh.
No!
No.
Daddy, you try.
Go na. How it sounds like?
That's my
What it sounds like? Yeah. What it sounds like?
Sea lions.
Sea lions.
What it sounds like?
It sounds like dogs. Arfing very loud. Oh no! No, those are sea lions! Sea lions!
Ang dami.
Please, can we get
Lansa pala.
Get down.
Yeah.
Dry na dry yung iba.
Yeah.
Ayan,
Also, look at this guy. He's like so much space over there.
Yeah, there's a name on those padlocks.
Why is this one the big one?
Master lock.
Master. What about this one?
Heart lock.
This one?
Heart lock. Heart lock.
What about this one? Daddy!
Padlock.
What about this one?
Puro
Daddy,
pusong
what about
padlock.
this one? Daddy!
Padlock.
Now, for all you scientists out there, I want you to pay very close attention to the fact that these chairs are not latched, nor are they hooked. They're not stuck together in any way, shape, or form. They are.
Only in San Francisco. Cable car. Ito yung mga cable car nung unang panahon.
You got it.
Ticket. Market Street Railway. Powell and Market. Ano ba natin ito?
Cable car. Unless you want to ride the cable car.
Water front.
Hey, look. This is
Along the waterfront. Home of the Yellow Book. What was that?
This is not real ice.
Yeah. This is not a real. Come on, let's walk here.
But look, Daddy, this.
What was that?
This one from the pirate.
Yeah, it's a 8 horsepower Hick gasoline engine.
This was from the boat before.
Yeah, from the boat.
But the boat passed before.
Scouts bring simple flat bottom sailing coach. Perfect for the job. Scouts
Deep
Let's go
water.
here.
It was a good little business for an individual or family. Through the years, you could see them making their way up and down the bay.
Oh, there, a clock.
Fishing boats you could see.
It's the clock. Yan o. Yan o, clock. Oh,
Italians had their little
oh.
and later their Monterey type power boats.
Come on, come on. Yan na.
Is this how this?
fine arts.
Sundown and salty cheese. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining
are we now? In Golden Gates. We're here in Golden Gates.
This isn't golden gates.
And what was that?
It's not golden here.
And what is that? Red?
No.
Red in color?
No. It's brown and white piece.
Mm-hmm.
Like rocks.
Nice stuff. Yan yung Golden Gate, yan yung Golden Gate Bridge. This is a nice area. It's nice.